Hi everyone. In this art lesson we are going to practice drawing a pear. So we have two different types of pencils here. We have a 9B pencil, which is a really soft pencil, and we'll use that to do the shading. And an H pencil, which is very hard, so it will make nice light lines for our guidelines. So start by marking the top and bottom of the pear. And the bottom of the pear is going to be a sphere. And the top of the pear is going to come down kind of like that. Adjust my shape if I need to. There, that looks pretty pear-like. And the stem comes up the top, sticks out, and then there's a little divot where it meets. Now the shadow is going to sit down here like this. It's kind of a small light shadow. Now my lines are very light, so they'll be easy to erase. I'll just go ahead and erase these lines, which I don't need. And kind of adjust my lines as I need them. That a little bit rounder. There. Okay, another tool I really like to use is a little chip brush eraser. You can buy these at the hardware store. They're usually pretty inexpensive. So you brush away all that eraser dust without smudging my drawing. I could also blow it off if I didn't want to wipe it off. All right, now switching to my 9B pencil, I'm just going to start shading in those darker areas, and I can turn my paper as I need to. I'm going to go over the entire area, leaving the highlight areas lighter. So we're getting highlights in here and over there and right there in the front, as well as we see two little reflected highlights right there and right there on the bottom. So that's kind of my first go around at the shading. Now the stem at the very left has a very light highlight on the bottom left, and the rest of it's really dark. And this divot is really dark as well. And then the edge of the divot comes out and it's just a smidge lighter, immediately followed by a nice bright highlight. So I'm going to try to leave that highlight area white. Now I'm going to go over all of this area again and just make everything a little bit darker. Now I'm going to really work on getting a lot of nice contrast between my lights and darks. And although it might seem like it, our fruit is often a little bit asymmetrical. Hit this shadow area under there. It's a very light shadow. I can probably leave the rest and blend. Now I'm going to use my finger and blend this shading together. This is going to give me nice, soft shadows along the pear. What's going on there? It's a little bit off. Straighten it up. Okay, blend out my shading just like that. If I need to go back in, refine those areas just a little bit. And blend out with my finger again as I want. Then I can go back in with the corner of my eraser and just erase those highlighted areas that I know are going to be really bright white. And that's how to draw a basic pear. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time here at artlooklearn.com.